Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arsan binti Abu Zairi from ITT602 25158. And today I will be presenting about my individual assignment called Unit Trust Dividend Calculator. The purpose of this app is to help users calculate monthly and total dividends based on their investment amounts, annual dividend rate, and number of months invested. First, let's take a look at the code. Here is the main entry point. This is the starting point of the app, and it runs the main widget. This is dividend calculator app, and this is the main widget. And here we can see the title and the theme, which sets the app title and the theme, the overall theme of the app. You can see the background color, which is soft blue, and the primary color is blue. And here is the main screen. The main screen has navigation, and for this app I used a bottom navigation bar to switch between the home page and about page. For the home page, you can see for home page I used to calculate dividends. This is where users will input the invested amount, annual dividend rate, and the number of months invested. It uses form validation to ensure correct inputs. So let's move on to the about section. For about section, there is one thing I want to highlight, which is for the GitHub. For the GitHub link, I'm using import package URL launcher to enable clicking the GitHub link to open in the browser. So let's move on to the demo. Let's say I put 30,000 and 23%, and when I calculate dividend, it will show the monthly dividend and the total dividend both in 2 decimal points. However, if I didn't put number in the number of months invested, let's say I put A, I will say please enter a valid number between 1 until 12. So what if I put A and annual dividend rate? It says please enter a valid rate. Okay. For invested amount, I will put P, and it says please enter a valid positive amount. Okay. If we press reset, it will hide the result. So let's move on to the about page. For about page, we have outer information, name, metric number, and the course, and the project information, the GitHub repository, and the copyright notice. And this is my and I think this is all of it. Thank you so much.